Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace tail lights on the 2016 Nissan Versa. So the reason I'm replacing it, because as you can see in this one, it has a really bad seal, and also it's filled up to here with water. That's how much water is in this tail light. This one, I believe, just malfunctioned because of that one. Not 100% sure the bulb's been replaced and all that. But we got some new tail lights from Eagle Eyes. So I went ahead and opened the tail lights. So let's pop the trunk. All you're gonna need for this job is a 10 mil and a pry tool. That's all you're gonna need for this job. Alright, so it's a grommet right here. So just get your pry tool and dig in between the lips. That's so. And then we're gonna pull this back. There's supposed to be weather strip in here, but this is missing on this vehicle. And there's a nut missing. So it's supposed to be two 10 mil nuts, one right here and one right here, but this one's missing, so we're just gonna remove this. Set that to a safe spot. It's not tall enough, but what you want to do is push it on the base, push it that way, and it'll come out. And then there's a socket on the back. Just push in. That's all the water was in there. Alright, there you go. Alright, so here's the new one. It already comes with the bulbs. So all you gotta do, reconnect the connector, straight forward. You're here to click in place. And then to put it in, you wanna put this into its hole right there. So put that in first. Let me take it off the tripod. Put that in first. And then line the hole up on the inside. So that one and that one, once they lined up, just push it in. And then now we're gonna put the nut back on. That one's missing, so I can't put that one. Tighten it. Bring this back forward, and then if you have weather stripping, you just put it up top here. And then voila. Alright, and that's how you replace taillights on a Nissan Versa. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.